Good morning, welcome to my terrace garden. I am taking this video because this garden I have prepared in last 4 years and I am going to leave this place, so I don't know how much I will be able to take with me. So I want to keep a memory of this. I'll show you individually. So sunflower, one of my favorite. It's growing. One hibiscus sapling. This is first time I am seeing, and it has grown from the seed of my own hibiscus plant. This one. Uh, Now this is bird's eye chili. In each branch you can see lots of chilies. This passion fruit creeper. I will show the flower also. Legumens creeper, bitter gourd creeper, growing, going up there. And rose with budding. Turmerics, chilies with lots of flowers. And passion fruit flowers you can see, and buds also. Then again bitter gourd. There is a bitter gourd there. It's an anti-diabetic ginger, pumpkin, night queen or Brahma Kamal with birds. Lots of birds has come. I wish I could have seen these flowers blooming this time also. Last time I have seen, but I will leave before that also only. I don't know. Then it's a palm, some fancy trees, Aparajita, turmeric again with a lemon, and bonsai, bargad, gulmohar, pineapples, and nishagandhi or kalyana sugandhika. There Aparajita is there, and also passion fruit, hibiscus, and this is money plant. It's growing, and this. And this I don't know what is the name, but some fancy. And more are there. This is marigold. In Kerala they call it a sunflower. Dark tulsi, Krishna tulsi, with round chilies. Another hibiscus plant, different variety. Brinjals. Brinjal flower is coming, and I will show the brinjal also. Lady's finger or bindi. Cowpeas, lots of cowpeas are there, you can see. I will show this. In all branches I think cowpeas is full of cowpeas it is. Pumpkin, Nayantara, that gulmohar, aloe vera, pumpkin, and this is again on ajwain. There is Brahma Kamal or Night Queen, the budding. You can see from here. The birds I will show from that side. Yes, these are the birds. And also this side, the back, opposite back side of my house, Aparajita and bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is now dying, I think. This is my pit where I prepare organic fertilizer by myself from the vegetable waste. This is bush pepper, black pepper. Look, flowers are coming now. I wish I can take this with me. And this is a cherry. No, not cherries. Curry leaves. Curry leaves. And Rajnigandha. This is Gargi studying. I wish I could have not shifted, but time is like this. We need to change. So I request everyone to utilize your space, plant some green to save the earth and also for your own good. Birds used to visit me. Um, okay. Stay healthy, stay green, save environment.